All right, let's jump straight into this high-intensity explainer on the Taiga Fortress protocol.
Get this, the bowhead whale has a massive mouth that makes up 1/3 of its entire length.
And this 80-ton giant swims through freezing Arctic waters for literally over 2 centuries.
So how on earth does an animal with trillions of cells just avoid cancer for 200 years?
Well, unlike our messy human DNA, they use a flawless CIRB-driven repair strategy. It's wild.
Their secret? An elite biological mechanism that says, hey, let's repair the damage, not just replace the cell.
To mimic this incredible purity, we look to the Siberian taiga and the CGNC conifer complex.
This highly concentrated paste acts as a literal biological fortress, matching that extreme cellular resilience.
It's packed with a chlorophyll keratin complex that gives your cells heavy-duty antibacterial and antioxidant protection.
Plus, it acts as a natural emulsifier, completely locking in that absolute internal homogeneity.
All this makes up the CIB-XP complex, which works as an elite cellular-level shield.
Inside your body, polyprenols rapidly convert to dolichols to flawlessly repair those damaged mitochondrial membranes.
This mechanism beautifully restores your cellular energy while just ruthlessly destroying oxidative stress. To get this internal purity, there's a strict 2 milliliter daily mandate of VILAVI T8 EXTRA 90%. So, are you ready to upgrade your biological repair crew and build your own fortress today?